FlexiRoam SM Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think international roaming is expensive and confusing, but FlexiRoam's eSIM technology offers a simpler, more affordable solution for travelers. FlexiRoam allows you to activate a digital SIM on your phone without swapping physical SIM cards. One standout feature is global coverage. Over 150 countries are supported, making it perfect for frequent travelers. You can top up data plans directly through the app, avoiding high roaming fees. Most people get this wrong. They think all eSIMs require long-term contracts. The surprising truth is that FlexiRoam works on a pay-as-you-go basis, so you only pay for the data you need. Activation is instant, and no carrier change is required, which means less hassle at the airport. Another advantage is convenience. You can manage multiple plans in one app, track usage, and even share data with other devices. This flexibility is particularly useful for business travelers or digital nomads. However, there are considerations. Not all phones support eSIM technology, so y'all need to confirm compatibility. Speeds may vary depending on the local network, so heavy streaming in remote areas could be limited. In conclusion, FlexiRoam eSIM is a smart choice for international travelers seeking affordable, flexible, and easy-to-use mobile data. It eliminates the stress of roaming fees while keeping you connected worldwide. Subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews before you change your next SIM.